The GoPro Hero 13 Black has arrived, and I believe it's set to revolutionize the world of action cameras. With its breathtaking slow motion capabilities and crisp 5.3K resolution and a host of advanced features wrapped in a tough, durable design, this camera is built to impress. Whether you're an adventurer, content creator, or a professional pushing the limits, the Hero 13 Black promises to deliver beyond expectations. Let's explore what makes it a game changer. One of the standout features of the GoPro Hero 13 Black is its ability to record slow motion footage at 5.3K resolution and 120 frames per second. For anyone who's serious about capturing every detail, I believe this is an absolute game changer. Imagine this. 120 frames per second means you get smooth, lifelike slow motion that truly brings those action-packed moments to life. Whether you're into extreme sports or just love capturing memories, the sharpness and clarity of 5.3K are unparalleled. I believe you'll see a noticeable difference in the detail, from the droplets of water flying off your surfboard to the dirt kicked up from a mountain bike. This camera lets you relive those moments in stunning clarity. What makes the GoPro Hero 13 Black even more special is the insane flexibility it offers for slow motion. You can record at 400 frames per second at 720p for extreme slow motion. That's 15 real-time seconds of slow motion magic, perfect for when you want to capture every single micro movement. I believe this feature is going to be a favorite for anyone looking to add cinematic flair to their videos. But that's not all. If you prefer a higher resolution, you can bump it up to 360 frames per second at 900p, or even stay at the epic 5.3K at 120 frames per second for up to 5 seconds. For content creators, this versatility is gold, especially when you need different resolutions for various shots. It's not just video where the GoPro Hero 13 Black shines. With 27 megapixels for photos, you can take stunning stills that capture the moment with incredible detail. But what I believe sets this camera apart is the ability to pull 24.7 megapixel frame grabs straight from your video footage. That means if you're recording a high-action scene and you want a perfect still image, you don't need to worry about missing the shot. You can just grab it later from your video without losing quality. This is a feature that could save you a lot of time and give you options that simply weren't possible before. GoPro has truly taken lens technology to the next level with this model. The Hero 13 Black comes with a range of new lens mods, including the macro lens, which lets you get up to 4 times closer to your subject. I believe this will be a hit with anyone capturing intricate details, whether it's in nature or during close-up shots of gear and equipment. There's also an ultra-wide lens mod that expands your view by 36% wider and 48% taller. This is perfect for those epic landscape shots or immersive POV footage. What I really like is how smart the camera is. It can auto-detect which lens you're using and automatically optimize the settings for you. Action cameras need to be tough, and GoPro has certainly delivered with the Hero 13 Black. This camera is waterproof up to 33 feet, and it's built to handle the toughest conditions, whether it's snow, dirt, or water. The new hydrophobic lens cover repels water, which I believe is a game changer for those rainy or wet conditions. Battery life is always a concern with action cameras, but the GoPro Hero 13 Black comes with an upgraded 1900 mAh Enduro battery that gives you up to 2.5 hours of continuous recording. And with the weather-sealed magnetic cable for continuous power, you don't have to worry about running out of juice mid-adventure. One of the things I believe is essential for modern cameras is the ability to quickly and easily transfer footage. With the Hero 13 Black, you get Wi-Fi 6, which provides 40% faster wireless transfers than the previous models. For those really large files, especially when shooting in 5.3K, you can always use the USB-C connection for even faster data transfer. Editing your footage is also easier with GoPro's Quick app, allowing you to get your content out faster, whether it's for social media or professional production. Overall, I believe the GoPro Hero 13 Black is one of the most impressive action cameras on the market right now. From its unbeatable slow motion capabilities to the rugged, durable design, this camera really does it all. If you're serious about capturing your adventures in the highest quality possible, I think the GoPro Hero 13 Black is the perfect companion. At $399, it's an investment, but one that I believe is well worth it for anyone who wants to push the boundaries of what's possible in action videography. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations.